How to live stream on YouTube. Today we talk about mobile phones. Okay, so this is what happens, this is what you see when you open the YouTube app on your phone. This is an iPhone 7, but it's fairly similar in Android as well. Okay, for you to live stream, you hit that little camera icon at the top near your name, and then you can either choose record, go live, or select one of your videos. I've clicked go live, and now you get a load of options. Hello, that's my weird waving face. Okay, at this point, you put in your title. So, in this case, because it's test, I'm just putting in test, right? But then you can also pick whether or not it's public or unlisted. Unlisted means that it will only go to the people that you give the link to, and public means that it will publish that you are live. It will send it out to your subscribers and your notifications. You can now pick a location. In this case, I'm picking Huddersfield, but say for example you're live streaming at a festival, or you're at some kind of event of some kind, or you're in London and you just want to generalise where it happens to be, sightseeing, that kind of thing. That can then become a searchable term. Now, as always, just with video SEO, you now want to enter a description. So you hit more options and it slides open. If you've got an auto default or an upload default, then it automatically fills it in for you. So in my case, I've got all my links in there already. All I have to do is go to the top, and where it says video description, I then just type, this is me in Huddersfield testing around or going live. Okay, you can also now schedule a live stream. This means that if you want to plan in advance and give people warning, you can do it by the hour, by the day, that kind of thing. And then when you're ready, you pretty much choose your advanced settings, make sure that, it's monetized, make sure that if you want to have chat enabled, that kind of thing, or age restrict it, and then click next. It will take a screenshot for you, so therefore this becomes your thumbnail. Make sure that, you zoom out with your own hand and smile. And then, there you go, it flips it for you. That's now your thumbnail. It uploads it, and then when you're ready, you click go live. For more tricks and tips on how to go live on YouTube, there's a playlist up here or in the description down below. Hit subscribe for more tricks and tips. Hit that notification icon so you know when I'm next on a live stream. Go out there, start creating.